This is a reverse ride-along.
The point of this ride-along is for us to come together and see the positive things.
For years, officers have driven community leaders around in police cars to show them what it's like to patrol the streets.
You know, we're human. You know, there's not some big scary persona behind the badge. We're just like everybody else.
In this reverse ride-along, police cadets about to hit the streets are taken by community leaders to places and people all over the city to get first-hand community perspective in non-patrol situations so they can start developing positive relationships.
So my name is Joseph Black, and I lead a program called the Reverse Ride Along.
Talking about what they need, but we gotta also get to the solution.
Joseph Black puts into action the vision of activist Jan Thrope.
No, there is brilliance in this room.
In neighborhoods, they sit cadets at tables with young people.
Do you guys play sports?
Sports? Ooh, what do you play?
What do you play?
I play basketball.
And with leaders from that community.
We fed the whole neighborhood.
They all discuss possible solutions to community problems.
Come to the district, send them the box, so we can come pick them up from you.
He talking about a box at the police station with shoes in it. You going to get them?
And we've got to get boldly, and I like this word, bodaciously creative about some changes that can happen in this community.
So someone put some Nikes in there your size. You wouldn't take them? You would take them. From Rexon, right?
The cadets get back in the vans to process what just happened. A question: can someone not from Cleveland effectively serve and protect in Cleveland?
As far as me not living in Cleveland, I think that I can learn Cleveland. I think I can learn the people.
We believe that the in-car dialogue is some of the most powerful components of the work that we do.
The next stop is a barber shop.
Where's the good cops at when Tamir Rice is killed?
Tough conversation passes back and forth like a basketball. It gets heated at times.
So what you say don't mean nothing to me.
The cadets hear that some children are taught that police are dangerous and should be feared. That's discussed later in the vans.
First couple questions, I felt like we were kind of, not attacked, but like they were more so venting. And then as the conversation continued, it was more, you know, like communication rather than just like, you know, that aggression towards each other.
Officers in some cases are asking for the opportunity for a clean slate. Residents in some cases are looking at the past and holding that as a mirror image of the future.
But then as we were walking out, you know, everyone was shaking hands, so it was, in that little span of time, it was a complete, you know, 180 of emotion.
Mm-hmm. I felt hope in the room. Hope. I did. Hope.
Hope.
The final stop is a community center where the cadets play with young children.
I argue that even though they're incredibly small, they've had experiences with officers that we often overlook. So as an officer that's new 10 years from now, engaging with this 15-year-old, hopefully you pray that that 15-year-old draws back to their many experiences as a young child on a playground playing with an officer.
I don't know, I feel like that's hopeful for our class, that we can go out there and kind of make a change in the community.
You get a mix of all things, but for the most part, we find that many of the officers consider this to be a refreshing and important part of their work. Many officers that I encounter come out with the true intention of serving people.
For more information about the Reverse Ride-Along program, email reverseridealong@gmail.com. Call 440-490-7539 or visit Reverse Ride-Along on Facebook or Instagram. To donate, go to the Cleveland IOB website and look for the Reverse Ride-Along program. Joseph Black is a graduate of the Neighborhood Leadership Development Program, a program of the Jack, Joseph, and Morton Mandel Foundation.